Hi, so it's Chanyla.s and I'm gonna be playing with this one. And by the way, this is my first video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I only got 2 right now, but I lost one of them, and I don't know where's at, and I don't feel like going to get my other one.
Is also some money?
No.
No. What did you own?
You too.
Let's put it down, go kill her.
Oh.
If he come up behind, I'ma kill him. And I didn't know. I'm talking about. I didn't know that I didn't know
And the last one.
what kiss. And I know. That's right there. Kill him. Go get knife.
Who?
Trent. He wanted fast.
He already did.
Hmm?
You talking about his brother?
No, the big one. That who not died.
Oh.
That's the one who not died.
Not the other one.
Yes, he gonna be down too.
So he could be with his brother.
If he find my friend, if he go and walk, I'ma kill him.
So yeah,
He
thanks
messed
for
with
watching my video, my slime
kill
video.
him.
She wrote
Me
with
play
y'all.
with it.
She wrote with
Yeah.
you and Mom dropped you.